So today I am going to show you how you can start your day off with good energy, good digestive health, and some good nutrition. So let me show you what most everybody gets started with when they want to have, they want to lose weight, they want to have more energy, or you just want to have better overall health. So these are some of the most popular products that most everyone we get started on. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I start my morning. The first thing I do is you have here, it's a healthy energy product. We call it herbal tea concentrate. And what it is it's going to help to boost your metabolism, give you energy, and burn some calories. So you're going to do a half a teaspoon of that. You can do a little bit more if you want to, but half a teaspoon is good. Okay, and this one you take it in the morning, cold or hot, however you want, or anytime throughout the day. The second thing I'm going to add is the herbal aloe concentrate. By the way, this comes in different flavors, and so does the aloe, okay? So depending on what flavor you have will depend on the taste it gives you. Some people will measure it. I just pour, okay? But typically it's 3 capfuls of the aloe. You put it in there, okay? And like I said, normally I do this warm in the morning and I do it cold throughout the day. So you just want to go ahead and put in some warm water in there and enjoy your hot tea. It's going to give you energy, good nutrition, good digestive health. It's going to reduce inflammation, help you go better to the restroom. And personally, I enjoy drinking this as I'm getting ready. Instead of having some coffee, this is what I have every single morning. So this is your step 1.